In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete a Monday.com account step by step. Whether you are closing a personal workspace, shutting down a company account, or simply no longer need the platform, I'll walk you through the full process so you can cancel billing and permanently close your account the right way. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important confirmation steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Monday.com account. Open your browser and go to Monday.com. Once the website loads, click on Login and enter your email and password. If you use Google Sign-In or another authentication method, complete that process as well. Before moving forward, double-check that you are logged into the correct account or workspace that you actually want to delete. This is very important, especially if you manage multiple accounts, because once the account is permanently deleted, it cannot be undone. After you're logged in, the next step is to open the admin section. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Admin. This will take you to the Admin Settings panel, where you can manage account-level settings, including users, security, and billing information. Keep in mind that you must be the admin account or have the correct permissions in order to delete the account. If you don't see the admin option, you may need to contact the account owner. Once you're inside the admin panel, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Billing. This section controls your subscription plan and payment details. Scroll down through the billing page until you find the Cancel Billing or Delete Account option. The exact wording may vary depending on whether you're on a trial, monthly plan, or annual subscription, but you're looking for the section that allows you to cancel or close the account completely. Now click on Cancel Billing or the Close Account option. Monday.com will usually show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Confirm the first prompt to continue. In some cases, you may be asked to provide a reason for deleting the account. You might also be asked to specify whether it's a personal or company account. Fill out any required information and continue through the prompts. Carefully read any final warnings that appear on the screen. Monday.com will typically inform you that deleting the account will permanently remove boards, dashboards, files, automations, and all associated data. Once you confirm this final step, the deletion process will begin. After you click the final confirmation button, your account will be permanently deleted. You will lose access immediately or at the end of your billing cycle, depending on your subscription type. And that's it. That's exactly how to permanently delete a Monday.com account. Just remember to double-check that you're deleting the correct workspace and that you've backed up any important data before confirming, because this action cannot be reversed. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.